UAMY stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is it a buy or not? I'm breaking this down in this quick 1-minute video. Now, I'm looking to definitely take it higher. Not in a way where I'm going to randomly start buying or anything similar, but what I'm saying is that if I see a double break confirmation, I'm all ears. I mean, I'm all here to look to buy. Came down and went up already, you know, so my bias technically is on point, but I never got my rules met, which I'm not going to run after the trade at this point. It's not that volatile, and I guess so be it, you know, like there is an abundance of opportunities in the market, but like generally speaking, I was willing to milk it up and it went without me, which is fine. I do have like UAMY. I have a receipt in the Discord regarding that, but other than that, if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.